Hello, fellow builders. How are you all today? Welcome to another episode of the Rabbits Build. Today, we are going to talk about this God Gundam Converge. God Gundam is one of my favorite mobile suits out there. I'd say this is the Gundam of my generation, or the Gundam series that I understood when it became available for me to watch, because I saw Gundam Wing 2, and I have to be honest, I did not understand anything. The mobile kits were cool though, I have to give them that. But the Gundam G series was just mind-blowing for me, still is. So the moment I found this God Gundam Converge, I bought it right away. Unfortunately, I can't get hold of the Shining God Gundam. It is definitely a rare item and people would sell it for twice or thrice its original price. Well, the simple solution to that is to paint this Converge into a Shining God Gundam. I wouldn't say there are rules on how to do it, but I can show you how I did mine. Stay with me and I'll show you how. Here we go, we are going to start with titanium gold. Type enamel. Optional clear orange for coating. For this one, I did not bother priming it and just decided to paint it straight away. What's really awesome with enamel paints is that it leaves a thick and strong finish, almost plastic-like. With that kind of coating, in my opinion, we could skip on the priming. Oh, and we are hand painting this one. Up next we have pale gray. Type acrylic. Now we would want those details to pop. And since my first layer is enamel, that layer will be erased if I use an enamel paint for panel lining or wash. To avoid that, I'm going to use an acrylic wash instead. This particular one can be thinned or erased with water. To give that fiery effect, we are going to use clear yellow. Type acrylic. I thinned this with a retarder and acrylic thinner and mix it with clear red. Type acrylic. Now let's start painting. We start with the gold enamel paint. Blue tack on a stick is really useful. It's great in holding parts like this. My friends, I'd like to say again that there is no definite rule on how we could paint it. As long as we know the basics of how each type of paint affects one another, I personally think that you can do whatever you want. Using the spear of Longinus without Zealous permission will cause serious trouble. Deploy AT field. Rescue Ray on the double. How would I know something like that to order? If unit 96 is lost and something major starts to happen, then I know what to do. I activate. I'll be fine. I'm here with you. Thank you. Enamel takes a long time to dry out. I left mine to dry for about 2 days just to be sure. Now for the wash. It worked out alright. My only problem with it is that it dried so hard. I must have left it to dry too long. For the fiery shining effect, I just went by the feel, so as I mix it, I am also gauging its color, making sure that it is what I wanted. And what we want is an orangey flame reddish mix. Tamiya's clear paints are actually pretty good. It gives a tough coating. I like it better than the Ammo by MIG acrylic coating. I guess the difference is that Tamiya's acrylic is not pure acrylic, it has a lacquer component in it. Paint retarder slows down the paint's drying time. I find it useful for hand painting. We just paint a nice leveled layer on top of it and we should be done soon. See how it changes the kit? I love it when the character or subject starts to come out by the power of our artistry. Sounds real corny, but it's true.
But it's a whole lot better than losing tons of lives!
That's why you're such a fool!
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. If you have tips for me, please leave it on the comment section down below. I would definitely love to know it and use it for my next project. You can stay to see the rest of my video that balances our hobby, and that is life. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. See you on the next one.